Hello students, in today's video we will solve the NCERT book exercise questions from the first chapter A Letter to God by G.L. Fuentes. I will explain all the answers in a simple and clear way so that you can easily understand them and prepare well for your exams. Let's begin. First, oral comprehension check. First question, what did लेंचो होप फॉर? लेंचो को किस बात की आशा थी? आंसर, लेंचो hoped for rain because his crops needed water to grow well. He was expecting a good harvest, so he looked at the sky all day waiting for rain to fall on his fields. Second question, why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? लेंचो ने वर्षा की बूंदों को नए सिक्कों जैसा क्यों कहा? आंसर, लेंचो said the raindrops were like new coins because they would help his crops grow and bring him a good harvest. For him, the rain meant money and prosperity, just like coins. Let's move to third question. How did the rain change what happened to Lencho's fields? मतलब बारिश कैसे बदल गई? लेंचो के खेतों का क्या हुआ? आंसर, the rain was pouring down, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow and very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. The hail rained on the valley for an hour, because of which Lencho's fields were destroyed. There was not a single leaf left on the trees, and the flowers were gone from the plants. The corn was completely destroyed. Fourth question, what were Lencho's feelings when the hail stopped? जब ओलावृष्टि रुकी तो लेंचो की क्या भावनाएं थी? When, answer, when the hail stopped, Lencho felt very sad, disappointed. He saw that the hailstorm had completely destroyed his crops. He was worried because his family would have no food for the whole year. Fifth question, who or what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? मतलब लेंचो को किस पर विश्वास था? उसने क्या किया? लेंचो had complete faith in God. He believed that God would help him in his difficult situation. Therefore, he wrote a letter to God asking for 100 pesos so that his family could survive and he could sow his fields again. Next question, who read the letter? पत्र किसने पढ़ा? The postmaster at the post office read Lencho's letter. When he saw that the letter was addressed to God, he laughed at first, but later he was moved by Lencho's strong faith. Seventh question, what did the postmaster do then? यानी फिर postmaster ने क्या किया? Answer, after reading the letter, the postmaster decided to help Lencho. He collected money from his employees and also gave a part of his own salary. Then he sent the money to Lencho in an envelope and signed the letter God. Next, eighth question, was Lencho surprised to find a letter for him with money in it? क्या लेंचो को यह देखकर आश्चर्य हुआ कि उसके लिए पैसे वाला एक पत्र आया है? आंसर, नो, लेंचो was not surprised to find a letter with money in it. He had complete faith in God and believed that God had sent the money to help him. Next, ninth question. What made him angry? मतलब उसे गुस्सा क्यों आया? Answer, Lencho became angry because the money in the envelope was less than the amount he had asked for. He had requested 100 pesos, but he received only 70 pesos. So he thought that the post office employees had taken the rest of the money. Next is thinking about the text. First question is, who does Lencho have complete faith in? Which sentences in the story tell you this? लेंचो को किस पर पूरा विश्वास है? कहानी की कौन सी पंक्तियां यह बताती है? आंसर, लेंचो हैज complete faith in God. He strongly believes that God will help him in his difficult time after his crops are destroyed by the hailstorm. The sentences in the story that shows his faith are: first, but in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Second, God, if you don't help me, my family will go hungry this year. Third, all through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God. Fourth, it was nothing less than a letter to God. Second question, why does the postmaster send money to Lencho? Why does he sign the letter God? पोस्टमास्टर लेंचो को पैसे क्यों भेजता है? वह पत्र पर भगवान क्यों लिखकर हस्ताक्षर करता है? Answer, the postmaster sends money to Lencho because he is impressed by Lencho's deep faith in God. He wants to help Lencho and also wishes to keep his faith alive. So he gathers some money with the help of his employees and sends it to Lencho. He signs the letter God so that Lencho will think that the help has come from God himself and his belief in God will remain strong. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Third question is, did Lencho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why or why not? क्या लेंचो ने यह जानने की कोशिश की कि उसे पैसे किसने भेजे थे? आंसर, नो, लेंचो did not try to find out who had sent the money to him. He had complete faith in God. After the hailstorm destroyed his crops, Lencho wrote a letter to God asking for help. When he received the money at the post office, he firmly believed that it was sent by God in response to his letter. Because of his strong belief, Lencho never doubted the sender of the money. Instead, he was only surprised that the amount was less than what he had asked for. His reaction clearly shows his deep and innocent faith in God. Fourth question: who does Lencho think has taken the rest of the money? What is the irony in the situation? लेंचो को क्या लगता है कि बाकी पैसे किसने ले लिए? इस स्थिति में विडंबना क्या है? आयरनी यानी विडंबना. आंसर: लेंचो thought that the post office employees had taken the rest of the money. He believed that God could not make such a mistake. The irony in the situation is that the money was actually sent by the postmaster and the post office employees themselves, who wanted to help Lencho and keep his faith in God alive. However, Lencho misunderstood the situation and called them a bunch of crooks. Thus, the situation is ironic because the people who helped him actually he blamed them. Fifth question is: are there people like Lencho in the real world? What kind of a person would you say he is? You may select appropriate words from the box to answer the question. Greedy, knave, stupid, ungrateful, selfish, comical, unquestioning. क्या वास्तविक दुनिया में लेंचो जैसे लोग होते हैं? आप कहेंगे कि वह किस प्रकार का व्यक्ति है? इस प्रश्न का उत्तर देने के लिए दिए गए बॉक्स में से उपयुक्त शब्द चुनकर चुन सकते हैं. ग्रीडी यानी लालची, नेव मतलब भोला, स्टूपिड मतलब मूर्ख, अनग्रेटफुल यानी कृतज्ञ, सेल्फिश मतलब स्वार्थी, कॉमिकल हास्यपूर्ण, अनक्वेश्चनिंग मीन्स बिना सवाल किए विश्वास करने वाला. आंसर: yes, there are people like Lencho in the real world. Some people have very strong and simple faith just like him. Lencho can be described as naive and unquestioning because he believed completely in God and never doubted him. At the same time, he also seems ungrateful because he blamed the post office employees, even though they had helped him. Thus, Lencho is a simple and innocent person with deep faith, but he is also somewhat naive and unquestioning. Sixth, last question is: there are two kinds of conflicts in the story, between humans and nature, and between human themselves. How are these conflicts illustrated? कहानी में दो प्रकार के संघर्ष है, एक मनुष्य और प्रकृति के बीच तथा दूसरा मनुष्यों के आपस में. इन संघर्षों को कहानी में कैसे दर्शाया गया है? आंसर: इन द स्टोरी, A Letter to God by G.L. Fuentes, there are two kinds of conflicts. The first conflict is between humans and nature. Lencho faces this conflict when a hailstorm destroys his entire crop. His family depends on the harvest for food, so the destruction of the crops creates a serious problem for him. The second conflict is between human themselves. This happens when Lencho receives less money than he asked for and wrongly believes that the post office employees have stolen the rest. Even though they had helped him by collecting money, Lencho calls them a bunch of crooks. Thus, the story shows both the struggle of humans against nature and misunderstandings between people. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.